Hey guys, so today we're going to start working on the project for this unit. Remember, we're not taking a test for this unit, we're going to do a project instead. And there's a bunch of different reasons for doing that. Number one, hopefully it'll make that learning more meaningful so you have more motivation. It'll allow you some creativity and it'll allow you to work at your own pace. You have a lot of freedom within this project. I'm just going to explain that project real quick, and then the rest of the time will be yours to work. Each and every day of this project, I'm going to have a little mini goal. So this project isn't due until January 15th. So for those of you who like to work ahead, the mini goal will tell you like how far ahead you are. If you're one of those people where you're kind of procrastinate, where you can't really take a big project and break it down into steps easily, this mini goal will help you stay on track. Okay, so as long as you're meeting that mini goal or above, you'll be on track for completing this project on time. So the mini goal thing you should have done by the end of today, decide whether you'd like to do an infographic or a poster. You get your choice, and then complete the federal court judge's notes on the research notes. And it's just one little slide. Then we have 24 more days till the end of the term, 24 more days till you don't have to see my face anymore. Okay. So when you go to Google Classroom, you'll kind of notice that things have changed if you click on classwork. First off, there's this whole new topic called Project One Stop. This will have everything you need for the project. Pages to complete your research notes. If you decide to do the infographic, there'll be tutorial videos on how to use that website right here, and then the project description in case you need to check back with that anytime. All right, you can go ahead and click on today's post. And on today's post, there'll be research notes and the project description. I'm going to go over the project description with you, and then I'll show you the research notes. So steps for this project. Step one, complete the judicial branch research notes that are posted on today's post on Google Classroom. And then you're going to use these notes to create an infographic or a poster about the judicial branch. So you get your choice. If you're one of those people that likes working with technology and doesn't really have like strong drawing skills or anything like that, you might want to do an infographic. If you're somebody where technology is really, really frustrating for you and you'd rather do it by hand, that's okay. You can do a poster instead. And you don't have to do like a big poster or anything like that. You could do like a plain sheet of white paper, no line paper, just like plain sheet of white printer paper. That would work just fine too. All right, and then once you complete your infographic or poster, you're going to submit it to Google Classroom. Take a picture or download it and submit it to Google Classroom. All right, if you choose to do an infographic for this project, we're going to use Piktochart.com. The reason why we're using that one is because I know it's free, and I will be able to, like I've used that one before, so I'll be able to give you guys some pretty decent tutorials on how to use it and navigate that website. And those tutorials will be posted on Google Classroom under Project One Stop. How to be successful on this project. The majority of your points are from your research notes and your information, so make sure you do those research notes first. We're going to work on those research notes doing one or two slides per day this week, and then over the weekend, I will be looking over your information to make sure everything is good to go. If you need to change anything, I'll leave a little comment. That way you have everything you need to be successful on this project. Make sure you stay on track by meeting the mini goal. So as long as you're meeting that mini goal or doing more than what's required of that mini goal, you're good to go. And then read the feedback left by Ms. Collins. I'm not leaving feedback to like pick on you or be mean. I just want to make sure that you have all the right information in order to get an A on this project. Okay. So like I said, most of the points from the rubric are from your information. Just make sure that you have a relevant image or picture. So an image could be on your Piktochart, like a little clip art. If you're doing a poster, you can draw a picture or you can even print one out and paste it to your poster. That's fine too. And then make sure everything's easy to understand and navigate on your poster and infographic. So you want to have a heading, like subheadings for your information. So that way a person could find information on your poster or infographic really easily. Don't have just like one big paragraph of information. That's not going to be easy to navigate. All right. Here's our mini goal and daily schedule. Remember, this is due Friday the 15th. All right. Today, you're going to complete the federal court judges section. Tomorrow, you're going to do 2 slides from the research notes. Thursday, you're going to do the Supreme Court slide. And Friday, you're going to do one last slide. Over the weekend, I'll be reviewing your notes. and I'll leave you some feedback. When you come back on Monday, you'll just revise your notes based off the feedback and start working on your infographic. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, it's just going to be time dedicated for working on the poster or infographic. Okay, the research notes. So those are posted under today's post. Research notes, and they just say the judicial branch research notes. Here are the ones that you have to do today. You're just going to answer these questions using page 227 and 228 on Google Classroom. If you would like to work ahead, you can do so, and the page numbers will be listed right here at the bottom in this little like speaker notes or comment section of each slide. So for this slide, according to the directions, you're going to be using page 227 and 228. Those are on Google Classroom under Project One Stop. Go under Pages, and you can find page 227 and 228. All right, I think that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to ask. Email, you can call or text that Google Voice phone number, or you can always stop in during open office hours.